Hi, I'm Tom Myers of Anatomy Trains, and I just wanted to give you a heads up that sometime around the end of September, we're going to be doing a special dissection live stream on spinal dynamics. That means that you'll be seeing a dissection of unembalmed tissue so that it looks naturally and moves naturally. Um, and you'll get my commentary of it, and you'll also get translation into Japanese, which you may want or you may not want. We're going to have a lot of Japanese viewers. We're working in conjunction with Kineticos and Kaoritani in Japan, but we thought that other people might want to come along too. Examine the spine right down through the shoulder muscles, the erector spinae, and then a detailed look at the muscles inside, close to the spine, between the transverse process and the spinous process, and how that whole multifidus system works inside your spine. And then we'll go around to the front. We'll look at the psoas complex, the diaphragm, the longest muscles that go on the front of the neck. These are very important muscles that go along the front of the neck. Of course, we'll also be looking into the spinal ligaments, the planes of the facet joints, the discs, and what can happen to discs, the foramina and stenosis. We'll be looking at a lot of stuff to do with spinal dynamics. This is a specialty course focused in on the spine. We hope you can join us.